You gotta get that good stretch in when you get up. I woke up like this. Flawless. Ladies, tell them, say, I look so good tonight. And I am back with another video. Look at my makeup, y'all. I did it. Okay, today is my Hairport and Hair Depot collab. I have my products in like most of the stores out here in Pittsburgh, but I wanted to collab with this store because of the size, the parking, the owners. Like, I really love this store, so I wanted to collab with this store and do like a community day, giveaway day. So today we're going to be giving away like over 30 gifts, like wigs, bundles, all types of stuff. We're going to have like a bouncy house, a bar, games. Like, look at my card. I'm on my way to go make this balloon wall. I need to hurry up, actually. So that's just that. But yeah, so I made all this stuff. Like, I was doing all this last night. I'm about to make the balloon wall. The balloon wall is actually a game. So they'll stand like a certain amount of feet back from, you know, the wall, and then throw a dart. Some of the balloons have a prize inside, like a little ticket inside, and some of them are empty. But if you get one with a ticket inside, that means you won a prize. So yeah, I have somebody coming to decorate. I have a bartender coming, cameraman. It's gonna be a whole vibe. So I just need this day to go by great. The weather's looking pretty good. It's supposed to be sunny all day. So yeah, I'm just praying the city shows up and shows out. I don't know why I'm so nervous, because I do get a lot of support in my hometown, but you know, you just never know. So I got to the hair store. We're putting everything together. We're trying to figure out where the balloon arch should go and how to set this up. Yeah. I'm really trying to think. Okay, so if we get the balloon arch right here, then the red carpet area could be right here. So we'll take a step over. So we'll move this right here. Because I still got to... Hey! Y'all are finna get fired. Do you see this? This is fired. This is what happens when you hire teenagers to work. Alright, so I'm thinking this station could go right here. Okay, your turn. We still got a whole bag.
Of what?
Of balloons? Do y'all think we should get the balloons or what?
Yeah, why not?
Alright, if they got pink. Like a small, like to blow up little small baby balloons to fill in the black of this.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking. Oh, could you grab me a pack of gum, please?
Yeah.
You could get, I don't know how much is left in it. But if y'all want something, y'all could get something out of there. Where's the build your own? Oh, that's what I needed help with. Putting this thing.
Come on now.
Alright.
They don't got no extension cords ready?
I got a generator coming. Yeah, because there's no like outlets out here, so just gonna have this right here. Alright. Yeah, we can have that right there. It was cool earlier, but now it's like...
Everyone, I just want to say thank you for coming out this week. Thank you for coming out Sunday
to our marvelous event. So the lady who was supposed to come and decorate didn't show up. I didn't get the change. I have on this outfit that don't even know if it looks right or matches. I'm actually fucking irritated and I can't wait until 5 o'clock so this shit can be over. Bye-bye. Y'all, the event started at 2. This was the line at 1:30.
The career's my stake, we above. The paper baby mothers on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind.
Because I'm glad so many people came out to support me, and it's still only 3:17, so I'm really glad people came. They was lined up. I'm just a little bit irritated because I wasn't able to wear my cute little outfit, but this will do. And yeah, it's just gonna have to work. Other than that, it's a vibe. Thanks to all y'all for coming, and yeah. Yeah, there should be a bunch in there. Okay, is that all we're doing now? Good.
Stop when you're ready, right?
Where you at? Where you at?
Where? Over here. Y'all wait something. The sun is orange.
Okay, y'all, they got a boarding pass. Can I see y'all boarding passes? Okay, y'all just want to give away. Y'all, this event was a freaking headache, but I'm so happy it's here, and so many people came and showed up, showed out, and it was nice weather, and yeah, so.
That was cute. Yeah. Alright. Is it recording or not? Okay, so the event went out great. It didn't go as expected when I first got here, but the turn